Welcome to a study of Surah Naml, the ant, the 27th chapter of the Quran. This exploration, based on Maulana Maududi's Tafhim al-Quran, delves into sight, power, and the unseen, emphasizing accountability through the Valley of the Ants. Surah Naml was revealed during the Middle Meccan period. Named the Valley of the Ants, it sets a profound contrast. The title compares the arrogance of human power to the instinctive awareness of Allah's smallest creatures. The core argument is that the Quran guides those who accept the reality of the akhirah, the afterlife. Maulana Maududi suggests that without the concept of final accountability, morality collapses, and man becomes a slave to his ego. The surah presents three models of human character in response to the truth: the blind power, exemplified by Pharaoh; the humble power, represented by Prophet Suleiman; and the awakening soul, seen in the Queen of Sheba. The arrogant rebels, like Pharaoh and the people of Thamud and Lut, built their lives on denying the hereafter. They refused to believe clear signs, and their ultimate ruin was a consequence of their lack of accountability. Archetype 2 is the grateful king, Prophet Suleiman. He was granted immense power, but never succumbed to pride. He saw his power as a test from God, whether he would be grateful or ungrateful. The incident of the ant illustrates Suleiman's profound awareness of the unseen and the rights of others. Unlike Pharaoh, his belief in the akhirah made him sensitive even to the life of a tiny ant. Archetype 3 is the rational seeker, the Queen of Sheba. She ruled a wealthy nation and was born into sun-worshipping culture. However, when the truth became evident through Suleiman, she accepted it immediately, not blinded by wealth or tradition. The surah shifts from history to the cosmos in the cosmic interrogation. It poses questions to the disbeliever about the universe, exposing the illogical nature of associating partners with Allah. The surah asks, is there a God with Allah? It questions who sends rain, created the heavens, and answers the distressed. The target is the cognitive dissonance of polytheists who admit Allah is the creator yet serve others. The diagnosis of blindness is the denial of the akhirah. If there is no resurrection, Maududi argues, then truth and falsehood are equal. This nihilism blinds the heart, turning existence into a game without consequences. The purpose of the argument is to jolt the sleeper awake, not to induce despair. The afterlife is not a theory but a reality. The surah warns of the consequences of neglect before the time for action runs out. The essence of the call is to serve the one God, Allah. Accepting this guidance is for your own benefit, and rejecting it is to your own detriment. Allah is self-sufficient. The risk is entirely yours. Key lessons from Surah An-Naml include that power requires accountability and humility is safety. Openness leads to salvation, and the afterlife is the anchor upon which all moral behavior turns. And say, praise be to Allah. He will show you his signs, and you will recognize them. And your Lord is not unaware of what you do. Peace be upon those who follow the guidance.